Now, I want to take a look at this question. Just look at it very carefully. Do you think this is something that you can be able to solve? Okay, don't worry. Even if you cannot solve it, we are going to solve it together. Now, let us read the question. An aeroplane lands on the runway with a velocity of 50 meters per second and decelerates at 10 meters per second to a velocity of 20 meters per second. Calculate the distance traveled on the runway. Now, we are asked to calculate distance. So, how do we solve it? First, let us write solution. So, for you to know how to solve this question, first, write out the data you have been given so that you know which equation are you going to use to find out. So, let us write out what we have been given. Now, we have a velocity. Now, this is the initial velocity of this aeroplane, which is 50 meters per second. So, we write u is 50 meters per second. That's the initial velocity. And then we are told again that it decelerates at 10 meters per second. Deceleration is the same thing as acceleration, but it's a negative acceleration, implying that the body is reducing down its speed. It's not accelerating, but reducing its speed. So deceleration is an acceleration, but in a negative way. So we can write this as acceleration is equals to, it will be minus 10 now because it's a negative acceleration, meaning that the body is reducing its speed. Alright? Now, the next thing we are told is the velocity, final velocity, which is 20 meters per second. So final velocity is 20 meters per second. Now we are asked to calculate the distance. Distance is the same as s. So this is what we don't know. To get the formula that we can be able to get this distance, we are going to use the third equations of motion. The third equation of motion is given as E is equals to d square u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. So we are going to use it to solve the distance, which is s. So the first thing is v, and v is 20. So we are going to have 20 square is equals to u square, and u is what? 50. So we write 50 square plus 2 times a. Now a is minus 10. So we write minus 10 times s, and we don't know what is s. So we write it like this. So this is 20 square, which is 20 times 20, that's 400. Equals to 50 times 50 is 2,500 plus. Now, 2 times minus 10 is going to be minus 20. So times s is going to be minus 20s. So here is going to be minus 20s. So the next thing we want to do from here is to make s subject of the formula. So how do we make s subject formula? Now what we are going to do, we are going to carry this 20s to this side and then bring 400 to this side. Alright? So now if I bring 20s to this side, it's going to be, now here it was negative. By the time it comes to this side, it's going to become plus. So I'm going to have 20s is equals to 2,500 minus, by the time I bring this one to this side, it's going to become minus, but it was supposed to be here. So it's going to be minus 400. Is that understood? Now, from here I have 20s is equals to, now 2,500 minus 400 is going to be 2,100. So if I want to make s subject formula, I divide both sides by 20. So I have divide both sides by 20. So 20 cancel 20, and we're going to have that s is equals to, so 2,100 divided by 20 is going to be 105, and the unit of distance is meters. So this is the distance that this aeroplane traveled on the runway. Is that clear?